Hey y'all, so subscribe to Fidgets because I just hit 102 subscribers today and she only has 17, so please subscribe to her because she is so far away and I know she is still in the teens place, but I really moved on very goodly, so hope they're good fidgets. And yeah, we can do the video next week because I'm kind of busy this week. So yeah, bye bye.